Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from PeopleSearch123 step by step. Let's jump in. To opt out from PeopleSearch123, first go to their website. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click the Do Not Sell or Share My Personal Info link. Under Remove My Information, enter your first and last name and the state where you live in the spaces provided. Then click Search. Look for your record from the search results that appear and click the green arrow on the right. A Remove Your Information form will appear. Enter the requested information, complete the security CAPTCHA, and click Submit. Just an important reminder that when reaching out to a data broker, it's crucial to use a disposable email to avoid being added to marketing lists. An on-screen confirmation will appear to indicate that you have submitted a request to PeopleSearch123. Check your email inbox for a message from PeopleSearch123 and open it. Click the Remove Your Information link in the email. Confirmation of your opt-out will appear. PeopleSearch123 will remove your personal information from their website. Congratulations on opting out of PeopleSearch123. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of PeopleSearch sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.